name's Susan. This month on Friday, I'm going to do a new series called Pies for Summer. Every Friday for the month of June, I'm going to do a new pie that is great for summer. And today, I'm starting it off with a lemonade pie. And this pie is so good, it's from my Aunt Barbara. And during the family reunions and our get-togethers, I always look to see if she brought this pie. And when I'd stay at her house, I hoped that she would fix it. It's so good and it is so easy. So, if you like content like this, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that bell. So, without further ado, let's get started. This pie has only 4 ingredients, and that is including the pie crust. You'll want to start off with a 12-ounce can of lemonade, frozen lemonade. And this will make 2 pies. Used to you could buy a 6-ounce in the frozen, but I haven't been able to find that in years. But it doesn't matter, pies don't last long in my house anyway. So you'll put that frozen can of lemonade in your bowl. And if you just want 1 pie, you can half it and make you some lemonade to go with it. 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk. The best thing about this pie is you don't even have to get out your mixer. You can do it all by hand. My husband especially loves this pie. And we've got 2 8-ounce or 1 16-ounce of whipped topping. I don't know why Cool Whip has such a bad rep. I think it's good. I don't know what the South would have done without Cool Whip. It goes in our salads, it goes in our desserts, it goes on top of our desserts. Alright, and all you have to do is just mix it together. Just fold and get it all combined real good. I guess the hardest thing about this pie is remembering to take the glue off the top of the cover. I did feed that to a preacher one time when we had a Bible study at our house. I learned to really watch after that to make sure I removed all the glue. I hadn't been married very long and cooking very long when that happened. Alright. Just keep flipping it until everything looks consistent and you don't just see the separation so much of the milk and the Cool Whip, or whipped topping I should say. This is a store brand. Nothing whatsoever wrong with that. And I have got on my stove spaghetti sauce going, and I've got homemade bread rising, and this will be a nice cool thing after all of that. And I'll link the videos to my spaghetti and bread in the iCards. Alright, after you got it mixed, just divide it between your 2 crusts. And all you have to do is put it in the refrigerator and let it chill for a few hours, and then it's ready to eat. Sometimes when I have it, I'll even grate up some lemon zest and put in it. But I don't have lemons today. And I have used lemon juice in it before when I didn't have the lemonade. It's a little bit more tart because you don't have that sugar. But there's a lot of sugar in that sweet condensed milk. Alright, we'll be back and I'll let you see what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? I bet you're jealous, but you don't have to be. It's real easy to make. If you like content like this, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring that bell. Till next time, bye.